Good morning. Girl is out the front again. There we go. She's back again. No way have you eaten that last nut. You've been and hidden that, haven't you? You have. Good girl. Another day with no rain. All good, all good. Anyway, I'm off to get my stitches taken out shortly. There's going to be no visit this week, 2 second chances. Between me and Carol, we've got appointments every day. But hopefully I'll be able to get back over there one day next week. So I'm back home again, stitches are out. You can just see at the bottom there where I caught it the other day, it's slightly wider than the rest of it, but all's good. And I was very brave and I didn't cry. Anyway, I'm going to do a bit of housework now before I decide what I'm having for my lunch. So this is the other little female squirrel that is not Sybil. Come on then, you come in? Here. Come on. Come on then. She grabs it so quick. I'm a little bit wary of her as well, but she's cute. So for my lunch today, I'm having tuck biscuits with Philadelphia cream cheese and a couple of slices of ham. I've also got a cup of coffee in my biscuit mug, and I am having some of these. So I'll just do a quick review on what I think they're like. I like these. Yeah, you can taste the sour cream and the onion. So very, very nice. So once again, Bella, thank you very much. I'm now going to eat my lunch. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. Right, JJ is here. I have just got his food ready, literally. There we go, mate. Come on then. It's okay. Good boy. Fireworks going off in the background. Good boy. You're very early, aren't you? Still got one little piece left on there, mate. Here we go. You gonna take your chicken? Yeah? No? That's it, you found the last piece. Well done, mate. Good boy. Maybe see you later, yeah? Dinner tonight is a fry-up. So we've got a gammon steak, tinned tomatoes, a big mushroom, a couple of fried eggs and toast. Carol's got the same, just she's got bread and butter and she's got sausages on hers, but I haven't as I'm not overly keen on them. Okay, so Jimmy has arrived. Come on then, my babe. I've got your plate ready. Oh, that was a big yawn. No sign of Teeny yet. He was around, but he ran off because of the fireworks. I'll put his plate out in a minute. It's okay, baby. Yeah, oh, bloody fireworks. It's all right, Jim. Come on, my babe. Horrible, isn't it? It's all right, baby. Come on. It's okay, Jim. Awful, mate. People just don't care, do they? Poor little fella. Yeah, so tonight is actually Guy Fawkes night. That's why there are fireworks going off. I know you don't see the videos for a few days, but poor little man. Oh. So tonight is actually Guy Fawkes night. That's why there's a lot of fireworks going off. I know you see the videos a few days later, but there's just been so many fireworks as we experienced with Jim. And it is these animals I feel for. My two are hid under the kitchen worktops or under the kitchen cupboards. The plinth comes off and they get under there, and that's where they'll hide for the next couple of hours. But there's just all over, up there, over there, around here, fireworks and lots of bangs. So anyway, we've seen JJ, we've seen Jimmy, Teeny was around, but he ran off because of a firework and hasn't been back since. There we go. So that's what's happening all around us at the moment. Like I say, it's these poor animals, they haven't got a bloody clue what's going on. And it's just so loud. And the bangs are so frightening. And it's not just animals, it's, you know, the wild animals, pets, people. Frightens the living daylights out of some people, especially the elderly. So yeah, there we go. We'll see who turns up later on, but I'm just hoping that they're all okay. Just everywhere fireworks, but hey ho. Nothing we can do about it. Hopefully it will settle down soon and people will go to bed. Despite all those fireworks going on at the end of the road, JJ has come back. Oh, it was like right above us then. Peace and quiet for a moment. Don't suppose it will last long. You're going to finish off your dad's plate, are you? No? You're going to eat from the tray then? His ears are going 10 to the dozen there, bless his heart. It's times like this I wished I could have them in the house, just to protect them. That would be the only exception though, so they're not too scared. Teeny has ventured out, but there were a couple of bangs, so he came to the garden and then ran again. I've got his plate out here. Come on, baby. Good boy. Come on, it's gone a little bit quieter now. Come on, little fella. There's a plate there for you. Well, you're learning. Let's hope you get to eat that before they start banging again. It's been going on for about 3 hours, 4 hours. Ridiculous. It lets up for a few minutes and then they start again. It's these little guys I worry about. Cats are still hiding underneath the kitchen cupboards. Slow down a little bit. You're enjoying having your plate, aren't you? Yeah? At least we've not had any interruptions whilst you're having yours. It's okay, baby. I know, it's not nice, is it? He's gonna go. This little guy was over the road a moment ago, so I was waiting for him to come over and he disappeared up to the left. And he obviously came through the neighbour's garden, went over the wall and he's come out from the side of the car, so that's made me giggle slightly. Fireworks seem to have quietened down now. Still the odd one goes off here and there, but nothing like it was earlier. There's a car coming now, so I think he's going to go again. Yeah. Come on then, little fella. There's a spider on the floor to the left of the plate, heading towards the tray. If you can see it moving. But yeah, what a horrible night for all of them. Jimmy never came back, bless him. Obviously JJ did. Teeny's here now as well. Oh, somebody's walking past. So Teeny didn't come back. I haven't seen Jimmy anymore. It's about half an hour after Teeny was last here. No sign of anybody else. So I am going to call it a night now. Hopefully they'll come overnight and we'll get them on the overnight camera. So I will see you all tomorrow. So from me it is good night.